Winter weather advisory in effect from 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. EST Saturday. What? Mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations up to 1 inch and ice accumulations less than 1/10 of an inch. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? From 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. EST Saturday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions and periodic poor visibility. Additional details. Snow will overspread the area overnight tonight and change quickly to a mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. This mixed precipitation is then expected to change to plain rain by late morning as warmer air at the surface and aloft overspreads the area from the southwest. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ogo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.